What up, gang? You already know what time it is. Fidget spinner review. You already know. So, I'm gonna be showing y'all a couple of fidget spinners. You probably would like them. So, let's get right to it. Whole lot of gang. I'll be right back with you, gang. So, what up, gang? First of all, I got a Bluetooth fidget spinner. I only got two fidget spinners. I'm still stacking up. So, this is the first fidget spinner. It's a Bluetooth. Wait. Let me turn it on. You heard that? Heard that? So I'll be right back with you guys. Peace. So what up, gang? You already know what time it is. A lot of gang. I bet, and I got. If you really probably can't see it, but I got a rainbow fidget spinner. So that's it for today, gang. Love y'all, gang. Be easy, gang. Peace.